and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be unboxing the May BoxyCharm. So I feel like I just did one of these not too long ago, but I think that's because my April box was late. So yeah, if you want to see what I got in my May BoxyCharm, then just keep watching. Okay, so it is Monday. We're in Alabama and it is hot. Hence my bun on top of my head. And not to mention makeup's kind of natural today. Like, I didn't do my eyebrows. I need to pluck my eyebrows, but it's a-okay. A-okay for today. So like I said, I'm in Alabama, so I think it was like 80 today. Let me know how hot it was there. But not only was it, or not there, but how hot it is where you guys live. So not only was it hot, but it was humid. And that is like one thing like I cannot stand. I can do hot all day long, but when it's like humid and I instantly like feel sticky, I just cannot stand it. But that is Alabama weather for you. Okay, so for May BoxyCharm, I think this is going to be like a lot less makeup-y and more like, I think they said like skincare and stuff is going to be about this. So we'll just see what we got. Okay. So it looks like this. Alrighty, so they don't have my pamphlet in there this month. They did good last month with having it, but I don't know what happened this month. So first things first, I don't have my pamphlet and I didn't get an email with what's in it or how much it costs. But I'll try to look these up after this video and after I get it posted and put in the description box how much everything is. Okay, so the first thing up is Ayim Beauty Care, I think is how you say it. But it looks like it's going to be some makeup wipes. It's Dead Sea Mineral and Vitamin C Serum Makeup Remover Wipes. Remove even waterproof mascara. So I'm super excited to try these. I just bought some makeup wipes too because I was out of them. And now I'm like, dang, I could save some money because I had some in my BoxyCharm. And next we have Daily Concepts, individuals who think in the shower. That's what it says. Weird. I've never heard of this before. But it's a shampoo bar and it's plant seed vegan. It has avocado oil rich in EFA oils for elasticity and natural shine. Bend, don't break. Okay. Noble cactus. Super nourishing and protects hair from the harshest elements. Aloe, moisturizing and balancing as well as soothing for hair and scalp. So that's interesting. I don't think I've ever heard of a shampoo bar, much less thought I'd ever get one. Okay. So it looks like this and it's like, pull this. It reminds me of like a soap on a rope. I don't know. Yeah, it says shower the world with love on this little string. I mean, it's a neat concept. It smells like, not really like a shampoo would, but it smells like natural, I guess, if you had to say something. You know, it did smell like something like natural-ish, I guess. Yeah, I don't know. Interesting. It says your hair will love this Daily Concept shampoo bar. This plant-based shampoo bar has everything you need for clean, beautiful hair with no plastic. A simple bar for beautiful hair without filling the oceans or landfills with more plastic bottles. Okay, so good concept. Can't wait to try that. Oh, I have been wanting to try this like so bad. The Glam and Glow Berry Glow Probiotic Recovery Mask. But it smells really good. Oh, it does. Look, it looks like that. That looks like it's going to be a really good face mask. I love face masks. And I love purple. Purple's my favorite color. It says, let's see. Okay, it really just has the directions on here. It says apply an even layer to skin, or to clean skin. Leave on for 10 minutes for best results. Tissue off and smooth in any excess. If desired, rinse and pat dry. Follow with your normal skincare regimen. Okay, so I've never heard of like leaving some on and patting it in, but curious to see how that works. Next up, we have a Pretty Vulgar, and it looks like it is an eyeshadow primer. So it's just a basic little tube. Pretty Vulgar is a really good brand. I like their foundation and their powders, but their packaging is always like really, really cute. So I can't wait to try this. It really doesn't say too much else on the package, except that it's an eyeshadow base. And next, We have Violet Voss Essentials Pro Series eyeshadow palette. So the outside looks like this, very cute, simple packaging. Ooh, okay, so these are my kind of colors. I can definitely get behind these. But we have these shades, and it looks like we do have 10 shades in here. Neutral colors, and it looks like you have a pop of colors, like the plum berry right here is really calling my name. And I don't think I've ever seen an eyeshadow color just be called like pink, just simple pink. You know what I mean? So that's pretty, you know, different. So that is it for the May BoxyCharm unboxing. And I think because I haven't gotten around to April's BoxyCharm, like try on and review, I'm going to combine these together. So, because I don't think, I can't even remember what I got in my April BoxyCharm, but I don't think I got too much stuff, but I did, like in this one, at least get like eyeshadow primer and an eyeshadow palette. I don't think I got that in my last BoxyCharm, but I know I got some eyeshadow brushes, so I can definitely test those out. And I want to say I got a face primer, and I just can't remember what else I got, but I know I got a few more other things. Oh, and I remember I did get the makeup remover towel, and that thing really does work. Like, I give that 2 thumbs up. I really do love that. I've been using it every day to just take off my makeup, and then I'll go in with a cleanser. So I actually really, really like that. So if you haven't gotten the makeup remover like towel, or it's called a makeup eraser is the name of it, I suggest go getting one because it's really good. I would get like a couple of them if you like them, and that's how you decide that you want to take your makeup off, because you can use different sections of it, but it does get, I mean, you don't want to use the same section like each night because you do have makeup on it. So if you're like me and you have to wear makeup like every day because you work, you know, Monday through Friday, and that's how you want to take your makeup off, then go get like a few of them, because for me, I ran out of space like after maybe like 3 days. So I don't know, that's just my thoughts on it, but it is a really good product, so I would definitely go get 1 or 2 or 3. But yeah, that is all for the May BoxyCharm unboxing video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to click that subscribe button and hit that post notification bell so you guys are notified every time I upload, which is going to mean a lot more, I promise. I know I work 8 to 5, I'm full time, and then it's summertime, so we're constantly doing stuff, and then, I mean, like right now I'm just out of breath because I'm just like busybody. I'm just going and going and going non-stop, and I'm a little on the lazy side when I don't have anything to do. But yeah, I will start doing this for you guys because I miss doing this when I'm not doing it. So yeah, more videos are to come, don't worry. But yeah, I will do a trial and a review of the May and April BoxyCharm boxes. So stay tuned for that. And then I have a couple of like videos coming. Not going to tell you what they are, but just stay tuned for those. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!